Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix an Anonymous. Now this shot is going to be built in our 16-ounce mixing glass. We're going to start by adding our ice. From there we're going to add equal parts of Southern Comfort and raspberry liqueur. We're using Chambord. Chambord is probably the best raspberry liqueur, at least most popular high-end raspberry liqueur in the market. But you can always feel free to use like a razzmatazz or any other raspberry liqueur that has like a well base to it. Southern Comfort is a really great tasting like a peach bourbon flavored liqueur. It's fantastic American product. Can't go wrong with this. So we're going to go equal parts on this, or basically about 3/4 an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce. So 1, 2, 3 will give us that desired pour. And then from there, we're going to add in our sour mix, about the same amount, 3/4 an ounce. If you'd like, take a fresh lemon wedge and just squeeze it right in there, because it's basically the flavor of the sour mix to begin with. And then you're going to take your shot glass, get that ready. Combine your ingredients. Shake vigorously. Tap the tin to break the seal, and then strain directly into your shot glass. And there you have it, Anonymous. Enjoy.